The gizzard shad has several distinct features. Its body is moderately deep, with its coloration transitioning from silvery blue along its back to silvery white on its sides. One of its most recognizable traits is the long trailing last dorsal fin ray. In juveniles, a small dark spot is also typically found behind its gill covers, though this fades or disappears with age. This fish also has a small mouth, and its lower jaw does not extend past the tip of its snout. This is an important way to tell it apart from its close relative, the threadfin shad. Its fins have been noted to be dusky colored as well. Gizzard shad are native to a broad stretch of North America, ranging from Quebec in Canada, throughout the Atlantic, Mississippi, and Gulf Slope drainages, all the way south into Florida and Mexico. However, they have been introduced into many other waterways across the continent. If you want to see more content like this, hit that subscribe button and check out the related playlist and videos in the description. Tight lines, everyone.